This segment is sponsored by Juice Beauty, Derma E, Tizo, Good Science Beauty, Strivectin, and Caress.
Did you figure out who this person is? Let's give you those clues one more time. I guest starred in Friends. I was in Clueless, and I'm Ant-Man. If you guessed Paul Rudd, you're right. He celebrates his 49th birthday today. Now, it's time to update your spring beauty regimen. I don't know what to tell you about that. That's why we brought in the expert. Celia San Miguel is joining us. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Of course, my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. She's going to get our skin in tip-top shape for the spring. And I know vitamin C is something that we really need to think about when it comes to the skin.
Exactly. So spring is here. It's time to get rid of that winter dullness, and we want to get that healthy glow going, right? And for that, your skin needs vitamin C because it helps to boost radiance. It also stimulates collagen production.
Ooh,
so it has anti-aging benefits. Exactly. So here we have two products that are great for everybody who's a glow getter. And it's the Derma E Vitamin C Instant Radiance Citrus Facial Peel. Now this is a non-abrasive weekly skin resurfacing treatment. And it contains vitamin C as well as a citrus peel puree that helps to fade dark spots, even out that skin tone, and glycolic acid to remove those dead, dull surface skin cells that might be dimming your glow, right?
Perfect.
So this is $23.95 at dermae.com and ulta.com. And then to revitalize and re-energize the skin, we have this serum. It is the Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. I'm going to apply some.
I'm okay with that.
It smells delicious. And it contains vitamin C as well as hyaluronic acid, green tea extract, and aloe. It is marvelous. This one is $24.50 at ulta.com and dermae.com.
All right, let's move right on down the line. Good science.
So next up, the skin's barrier function can be impaired by environmental factors, right? And that can include dry winter air and pollution. So here we have two products from Good Science Beauty that are designed to improve the skin's barrier function and to nurse your skin back to health, right? So first we have their purifying face mask. It's $55 at goodsciencebeauty.com. This is great for blemish-prone skin because it's going to decongest pores, balance oiliness, and it's going to reduce blemishes without overdrying the skin.
Perfect.
And it contains willow bark extract, which is a natural source of salicylic acid. It also contains amino acids and the brand's signature good silicone technology, which makes sure that all those ingredients are readily absorbed by the skin. Next, we always need hydration. So we have the Hydrating Face Cream. This one is $98 at goodsciencebeauty.com. It contains two ingredients that work synergistically, and that's hyaluronic acid, which can absorb up to 1,000 times its weight in moisture and bind it to skin. It also contains an omega-3, which is a fatty acid that again helps to improve the skin's barrier function, locking that moisture in.
Beautiful. Right down the line, Juice Beauty.
Juice Beauty. So Juice Beauty, which is a natural and organic beauty brand, recently launched its prebiotics collection, which is designed to balance the skin's microbiome by feeding it a combination of probiotics, which are healthy bacteria, and prebiotics, which are a type of fiber that feed that healthy bacteria. So for an inside-out approach to beauty, we have the Prebiotics Antioxidant Beauty Boost. It is a dietary supplement that comes in a powder form, so you can just mix it with water and drink right up. It contains probiotics as well as antioxidant-rich acerola cherry, goji berry, moringa, all that good stuff, right?
And there's a special offer just for our San Antonio Living viewers. When you use the code SanAntonio20, you're going to get 20% off at your purchase at juicebeauty.com.
That's
so
right.
do that now. Let's move on down to cuts.
Okay, so, applying sunscreen should be like as integral a part of your routine as brushing your teeth. And I love the Cots Face Prime and Protect SPF 40. It's a 100% mineral sunscreen. It's formulated with zinc oxide and titanium oxide. It's no chemical filters, and it works as a primer. Like, it actually is not greasy. It doesn't leave a white residue behind. It comes in tinted and non-tinted varieties. It's just $23.99 at Ulta and Ulta.com.
I have to get this.
Yeah, it is fantastic. It mattifies the skin, amazing. Next up, this is the Strivectin Little Lifters Limited Edition Kit. It contains two gravity defying products, right? The tightening and sculpting face cream, which plumps areas in the face that have lost volume. It also contains the TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream, and that is clinically proven to reduce lines and wrinkles on the neck,
yes.
okay?
Sign me up.
It is $59 at strivectin.com, and $1 from the purchase of each kit benefits Red Rover, an organization that helps animals that have been displaced by natural disasters or
great.
animal cruelty. So it's a great cause.
And let's end with the Caress body soaps. Beautiful packaging.
It's beautiful, right? So you can literally transport your senses to a lush, fragrant garden with these. They're the Caress Botanical soap bars. They come in this gorgeous packaging, and they feature really elegant scents inspired by botanical ingredients. So you get to really have this immersive sensory experience in the shower, and they're just $3 each at H-E-B, Dollar General, and Rite Aid. As you can see, you have 3 different varieties. The charcoal and rosehip is great for detoxifying. Lotus and red clay, white orchid and coconut milk. They smell amazing.
Yeah, you have got us ready for spring. Celia gave us just a little bit of information, but you can find all of this and much more at her website. It's sickerthanaverage.com, and follow her all over social media, Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. We'll be right back.